fun. The what's to me nice with the white the quest and
What have you been doing all day? I'm out running some more errands and picked up some free computer parts. Actually, a good working tower there, just needs some TLC and a nice semi behind me. And I'm headed home now, and it is, what, almost 8 o'clock at night. It was like 5:30. Anyway, spent most of the day cleaning Paul and Michelle's apartment again. Hello, motorcyclist. Anyway, getting sidetracked from what we were talking about here, but anyway, my stepdaughter and her husband's anniversary is tomorrow. And I gotta wait through this line again. Damn it. Anyway, 6-year anniversary for Chris and Adriana tomorrow. Doesn't feel like 6 years. They got married in July 2006. I remember it. I think I still have a video with somewhere. If I can find it, I'll post a link to it right here. Here. And y'all can kind of relive a little bit of it. So right now I'm on the way home. Get a little bit low on gas, but not to worry. And it's going to be the holiday in a couple days. Today's the 1st of July. July 4th is coming up on Wednesday, and we're going to be going to the Uncle Sam Jam out of Oak Lake Park here in Lincoln, Nebraska on the 3rd. At least I need to talk to Jen and let me take her and but Jen's a homebody. She just likes to stay at home and watch stuff on TV or watch on the front porch. But we'll see if we can persuade her. Cross your fingers.